Make this slow motion.
Make it slow. Okay, do it prettier.
They're really dizzy right now.
Do it prettier. All right.
Ready?
And yeah, slow motion. Don't roll your eyes when you do it. Okay.
Good morning! We're going to a cemetery where Hans Christian Andersen was buried. We had a slow morning this morning and now we're finally out and about. They're waiting on us. Let's go.
I guess we go there.
Okay.
Alright, I'm ready.
He's just playing.
We're gonna race across. He's gonna start at that end, I'm gonna start at this end, and we're gonna swap spots. And there's a pillar with one in the middle, so we're gonna have to go around each other. Ready? Go! Ooh, nice. Done! Oh, that was good timing. This is a good little gymnasium. That's the kind that we need back in America.
So
bouncy.
So bouncy.
Shake it, break it, make it bounce.
Yeah, if he lived today.
Oh.
Yeah. Before he died, the family he lived with gave him permission to like get buried on top of their grave. So this grave is actually their family grave.
So slimy. Stick back on there, little guy. Oh gosh.
You killed it.
No! Go back with your family.
I don't think it works that if you press really hard, he sticks.
He will stick. His little sucker will stick. There you go. Back to your home tree. Whoa.
One of the cool things that we noticed about in the cemetery was just how open it was. I mean, it was huge, and there was places for people to sit. There's people walking and hanging out. It just was really cool. I actually said that Hollywood Forever Cemetery is like that, but I haven't seen anything like that. And it was just really cool the way that they made it sort of into a public space. Yeah, it's neat. I like that.
What's the best?
I was thinking give you two, one each of those and a coffee too.
We're gonna have a Danish dog.
Ja, okej, 4 hotdogs blir också. Jag ska det.
Bumble, why do we gotta have these?
Welcome to Denmark. That's the reason.
Yeah.
So you have to get the real Danish deal here.
Alright,
And
alright.
you have to drink the coffee with it.
Yeah.
Cacao?
Cocio.
Cocio?
Cocio.
And in the winter you get them hot.
Fried onions,
Okay.
normal onions.
Fresh onions and pickles.
Wow. It's better than relish. These pickles,
Yeah, they're sweet, huh?
yeah, they're really good.
The park and the castles. And this is actually also where the zoo is.
Oh, okay.
So you can see the elephants from the park.
Oh, cool. We're going to a park with a castle.
All right.
And maybe we can see some elephants that are in the zoo.
Ooh.
Possibly a what entrance?
The zoo, entrance to the zoo.
Oh, the zoo, yeah. I love parks. It's like perfect area, except for the poop.
Way right there. So this is just a public park then?
Yeah, no, this is the zoo, but you can look at for free into the zoo from the park.
That's awesome.
I know.
The monkeys from the zoo escaped in this park, and then you could like hear and see monkeys.
Did they catch them?
I think so.
It's so nice out here. other animals.
Yeah. He's eating you!
It's crazy.
Don't eat me! So cool.
Last year and this is from this year. Only this many this year have been
Oh, that's not very many.
Wow. All right, so this is something that's really cool. That right there, that is counting how many cyclists have gone through this little section of the park today. Today. Over 1,000. There's a lot of bikes in Denmark, about 5 million, or in Copenhagen alone. Not bad. But we've been walking around for about 3 hours now, so it's time to get some coffee.
Yeah, so I'm good.
We're drinking coffee in the rain.
Well, we have umbrellas.
Yes.
Do we? Oh, those. Yeah.
Good one.
Cheers.
Because when you pull it all the way out, it needs to have a house.
Yeah, just over there.
All right, we just had coffee at this metropolitan place. Heads up, Copenhagen is expensive. It's like $12 for 2 coffees. But it was still delicious and we had a great time, and now we're gonna go back, buy dinner and make it. Let's go.
One of the companies that makes that. It is so hard in another language. Yep.
All right, dinner.
That is eat up, help yourselves, guests.
I'm not traveling the most.
Beer's enough.
Beer's not dinner. No. Beer's not dinner. Tana? All right. Anyhow, guys, we had an awesome day just chilling, hanging out, and walking through Copenhagen. I love all the green strips. Like, we walked from one end of the city to the other, it felt like.
Park after park after park.
Yeah, it's awesome. Anyways, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. We're loving Copenhagen, and we'll see you in the next video.
Good night.
Bye.
Good morning.
No, much too quiet.
Good morning. Good enough. We are headed to Luton Airport, then off to Denmark. We'll see you at the airport.
My favorite game to play at the airport is what are they gonna flag me for this time? I always get flagged every time, probably because the metal plate in my arm and I'm a badass. And then my bags are checked for something different every time. This time it was liquids. They wanted it in that clear quart bag.